Embracing Your Journey Expos offer a large selection of holistic wellness and metaphysical products and services all under one roof. They are the perfect place to gain insight, learn about new ways to improve your life, find resources to help you grow spiritually and emotionally. Discover new and exciting products and services geared toward a healthy mind, body, spirit, and inspiration motivation to continue on your journey. We are passionate about providing you a trusted resource to find world-renowned skilled practitioners, new and innovative services, as well as unique and original products. These family-friendly events are open to everyone. Whether you are new to this journey of the mind, body, spirit growth and discovery, are a long-term traveler, or just looking to see what is out there to be discovered, we are here to help. So I will be at the Embracing Your Journey Expo on June 23rd. It is a Sunday from 9 to 5. So come out and hang with me. So don't forget to share out the video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the little bell so that way you'll get an email alert every time that I add a new video, so you can keep up with me. And then also make sure you comment and like the video. That's very helpful to the community on YouTube.